Shit.
I should have seen you was double back from the start. Told me so many lessons. I got the mess with broken hearts. So many questions. When this began, we was the perfect match for that. We had the problems when we working at it, and now the arguments are getting loud. I wanna say, but I can't help from walking out. Let's throw it away. Just take my hand and understand that you